How's it going, guys? Decking That Adventures here, and we are in Legoland Billund, and I'm here to give you a tour of the absolutely fantastic and huge Legoland Hotel Billund. Oh yeah, so we are staying in a park view room as well today. So we have a view of the theme park Legoland Billund, which is really cool, but there's obviously other options, and they are the more expensive options, the park view rooms, compared to some others. So the cheaper options are like your pirate rooms and stuff like that, which are don't have the view of the park really. That's what you're paying for, isn't it? The view of the park. But yeah, I'm going to show you the whole tour of the whole hotel, everything that it has to offer, so come and join. So here's a look at the entrance then. Very nice entrance. As you can see, you've got a Lego dragon up there, which actually snores, and then you've got the 4 minifigures holding up the pillars of the clock tower. It's rather small compared to somewhere like Legoland Windsor. Yeah, they've dumbed it down a little bit here, which, to be honest, I'd expect it to be bigger, but it still looks the part, doesn't it? And then here's a look at the entrance to Legoland Billund Hotel. You have this, like, valeter, you know, hotel guy at the front, which is really cool. Automatic doors. You got these monkeys doing their monkey business, and the sign there, which is really nice, and it's all made out of Lego. And then you come in here and you're greeted with a massive dragon. This is where they haven't dumbed it down. You're greeted by a massive Lego sculpture of a dragon, which is really cool. Look at his wingspan here. Really amazing. What a sculpture. And this whole tree here is actually like a play area for the kids. Well, kind of a play area. You go up and yeah, you can see out above the hotel restaurant. What am I talking about? Reception. And then you can see the different Lego minifigures up there. Let's head up, shall we? Oh. Heading up here now for the first time. It's like a little pirate ship. Look at it up here. Oh yes. A nice view out there. Oh, I just hit the camera. Into the reception. Quite cool and cozy up here. What's up there? Oh. Wow, quite cozy. You got some Lego up here. Some kids have hit some Lego. Oh, you got a monkey there. Yeah, that's quite cool for the kids. It's good fun, isn't it, in the reception? So here is where you check in, and it's really easy checking. You just go into your bookings, scan the QR code, enter some details, and they print your key right here, and you can just go straight to your room. Really, really easy, and they have the actual reception over there if you are needing it. But they also have a massive minifigure wall here. Oh my goodness, so satisfying to look at. So many minifigures on this wall. Really good. And they have this guy on the bike with a magnifying glass, so you can look closer to it. But it's huge minifigure wall. And they also have some displays down here, which is very, very cool. I like how they have some Lego displays on the front as well. We have this penguin here. He's looking cool. And we have this like Nintendo fire truck, which has got loads of Nintendo games consoles, which is good for the kids. They'll have fun in there playing the games. As you can see, it's quite popular in there. But yeah, it's like a fire truck, which is quite cool. And then we go in this way. We have the Panorama Restaurant, which is your restaurant for breakfast, dinner, and tea, or breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Sorry, you can just book that with your stay or just on the day as well, which is quite good. And through here we have some rooms. So we go through here, we have some of the first rooms, which is, we have pirates up there. So we have the pirate rooms up there, and the adventure rooms down there. We have a Lego Indiana Jones here as well. And yeah, it's all themed to like pirates and stuff, so it looks really cool, like how it changes, which is amazing. And it has a dog bowl for dogs. That's so cool. But yeah, look at the themes. Very cool, very cool. But we're not in any of those. Hey, look, there's a shoe cleaner that's going. Hang about. Oh, look at that. Oh, I've stopped it. Oh, there we go, it started again. Give them shoes a clean. Fantastic, look at that. Brand new. Wow. Yeah, we have a Lego pirate here. So that's just one section of the rooms. Look at the mouse. I love it in here though as well, because there's just Lego stuff everywhere, which is amazing. Like, look at that Indiana Jones. Wow. And then over here you have the Brick Lounge, which is basically a bar for mainly the adults. So you can come down here, get a beer, get a Coke, get whatever you want, and yeah, chill out and vibe. And we have this guy, this Lego guy playing the piano, which is cool. So yeah, that is down in the restaurant area, and there's a few rooms just down there, isn't there? So we have the main reception desk here, And we also have a Lego shop. Of course, you've got a Lego shop with snacks, drinks, and the actual Lego in here, which is amazing because you've got to have a Lego shop. It's quite big, to be fair. You've got quite a selection in here, which is great to see. You've got loads of building areas as well, where you can just build random stuff everywhere throughout here. And it's popular, as you can tell, from the amount of people which are here. But if we go down here, they have a gym, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, you heard that right, they have a gym. The gym is for ages 14 and above, but it is included in with your stay. So I'll go and show you that right now. So here's a look at the gym then. And it is a very large gym actually, to be fair. It's got all the equipment. You got the treadmills down at the back, the bikes at the back. You got all the like weightlifting machines. You got different weights. Got medicine ball over there. Yeah, it's a very top quality gym. Really, really good. Hello. I've been using the gym, as you can tell. I'm joking. But yeah, it's a great gym. So if you're a gym freak, fitness freak, get yourself down to Legoland Billund Hotel. And then just back up the stairs again and to the left, we have a few seating areas with nice Lego displays in. Look at this town. Absolutely amazing. And over here we have a replica of one of the rides in Legoland Billund. It's one of the haunted house rides. You can see the ride in there. Yeah, but it's a great replica because I've been in there and it looks exactly the same. They even have that mirror maze in there, which is great. And yeah, they just have some more seating up here. They have quite a few conference rooms as well, which is cool, and a lot of toilets about. So yeah, it's great. And then if we carry along this bridge, as you can see down here, we have a kids zone, which is more like Nintendo consoles again. You got Mario up there, but yeah, it's like a kids zone where they can build and stuff like that, which is really, really cool. And obviously great for the kids because they can spend the time in there after you've been to the park. And again, we got like this board where you can write your name and stuff. Really cool. And we have some more rooms. We have the Lego Friends rooms down here. And Lego Friends here, which is absolutely amazing. Also forgot to mention we have the Lego Ninjago rooms up there as well, which is very, very cool. The Ninjago is awesome. And then if we go past the Lego fire truck and through here, there's some nice Lego butterflies on the wall. We have a thing for the Lego house, which is very cool, like a miniature model of the Lego house. We have some more building things over here. Also, we have the mariachi band, which are playing right now. And they have some cool songs going. We have a jeek, a boar up there. We have the pirate ship. We have a conference room as well here, which is really cool. And a Lego rhino. Guess what, guys? I wrote my name on the wall. Declan Bricks. There you go. So that's here until somebody rips it down. But yeah, if we start heading this way, past the fire truck, down past the Lego house, down past my name, and up the stairs, then you can go to the park view rooms, and there is also a entrance to Legoland itself from here, from the hotel entrance, so you don't need to go to the main entrance. You can come through the hotel entrance, which I'll show you now. And this actually is like a bridge, like an over the top bridge across the road, which is down below just there. So that's quite cool. And we have a Lego giraffe. So there is Legoland itself, and our entrance is just here. So you walk down these steps and go around there to the turnstiles and get through to Legoland there. So you're at like the back of the park. The entrance is over that way, the main entrance. But we are just literally right around the corner from where we were. That's where the bridge is down there. You can see the Lego giraffe. So we're just down them stairs. But our restaurant is actually restaurant. What am I talking about? Our rooms are just upstairs. So here is our room now. Let's enter, shall we? Oh yes. So here is the park view room. We have Lego all up the wall and on the roof on the from the two beds, which is very, very cool. We have these lights, which are actually very nice. You can pull them off like so, and then just stick them back on however you want them, which is very, very classy. You have your like coffee station. You have a mini fridge with drinks in, which is cool. The bin is in here. Yes, very nice bin. You have a desk. You have all our Lego purchases. Nice TV with the Lego on. Of course, you got the Lego channel. You got some nice paintings. A nice settee here for just sitting down, of course. Some more paintings, and then you have the park itself. Let's open this window if we can. Oh, and well, there we go. Open the window, and there you go. Legoland itself. It's quite dark now, obviously because it's night time. But you have the nice tower there, which is really, really cool. And yeah, you just have a really nice view of Legoland. You can see the monorail there, the train comes around here as well. You got the driving school there, Miniland over there. Yeah, you have a really nice view, and it is lit up normally at night, but it isn't today, unfortunately for you. But yeah, what a view! This is what you pay for, really. And in the day, you can just see everyone having a good time, and it's good to watch. It's good to people watch, you know. It's great fun watching the kids on the driving school because they all crash into each other from up here. It's brilliant. It's brilliant. It is really good because they're just crashing into each other and don't know what they're doing. And yeah, what a view. So here's a look at the bathroom. You have an adult sink and a kid's sink here. You have two sinks. Obviously that one's for the kids. You have a mirror for me. Hello. Some hand soap, some tissues, obviously toothbrush, and then you have the shower, which is like a nice Lego curtain. And you have this shower. And whatever this is, I don't know if that's like a mini bath. I have no clue what that is. It looks like a bath, but it's very small, so I don't know. Yeah, but you have two showers, and you have the toilet here in like a separate room. You have two doors, and you have a TV for the toilet, which is amazing. So you can just sit for hours and watch Lego, which is so cool. But yeah, it's a good spacious bathroom, and very, very nice. But yeah, another thing is that the airport is literally over there, and the planes are rather loud in here, especially in the morning. They go at like 6 in the morning, which is very loud when you have your windows open. So yeah, bear that in mind. You don't really have aircon in this room either. You have a radiator if it's cold at one point, but you don't have aircon, so we have to have the windows open. But yeah, that is pretty much the hotel summed up there for you. It's a really good hotel, really nice. I would definitely suggest it. But go for the cheaper rooms if you don't want to spend a lot on trying to get the park view. But the park view is probably the best view you're going to get, isn't it, really? Because you can just... It's great, it's a good view, and obviously all the lights at night make it really, really nice. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys in the next video.